Jeffrey, in your 21.5 Unbreakable Laws of Selling book, you stated in chapter 2 that you were 24 before you discovered your positive attitude. What happened that you remember precisely what changed your attitude? Patrick. Dear Patrick, I studied attitude. I took an attitude lesson every single day for a year. I watched movies, I read books, I listened to the brand new technology called cassette tape. And I listened to The Strangest Secret, and I listened to Zig Ziglar, and I listened to all the people that I felt could affect my attitude. And one day it just became better. You become what you think about. You become what you think about. That's the strangest secret. And it's the way you dedicate yourself to the way you think. And it's teaching yourself to respond by telling people what you can do, not what you can't do. What's good about the world, not what's bad about the world. And if you do it enough, and it's not, a lot of people think it's fake it till you make it. It's not. It's live it in advance. You become the character that you want to be when the attitude training is over. People say, how's it going? You go, great, it's going great. Even if it's crappy, you tell them it's great because you're telling yourself it's great, and you're going to fix whatever minor details are in the way. It's not a problem. It's a temporary situation, and your attitude can help you get past all of them.